Congratulations, you've started your study abroad journey. That's a huge step, and I celebrate you for that. But here's the truth: no one tells international students getting into your program is just the beginning. Every year, too many scholars wake up a few months before graduation and realize, they don't know what comes next, and they are scrabbling with anxiety and even return home, not because they want to and not because it's bad, but because they weren't prepared. And the hard reality is this: after all your effort, you could become just another statistics. That's why I put together this free report for you titled "I Almost Became a Statistics: The Truth No One Tells You About Your Scholarship." And inside, I share why so many students feel lost after graduation, how to avoid mistakes that keep people stuck, and the exact mindset shift that puts you in the top 1%, the ones who don't just survive abroad, but actually thrive beyond borders. And because I don't want you to actually read about it right alone, I want you to experience it. And once you grab the free report, you also get an invite to my upcoming live webinar titled "Your First 90 Days, a Head Start on Your Scholarship Journey." And in that session, I will show you step by step how to maximize your first 90 days abroad, build the right relationship early, and position yourself for opportunities so that graduation doesn't scare you. So here's what you have to do. Just click the link, download your free copy today, and save your seat for the webinar. Remember, you are already extraordinary. Don't just live abroad, thrive abroad. And I'll see you inside the webinar. Ciao, ciao.